Today, I'm going to show you 3 tricks to making better melodies. Now this video is for you if you find yourself stuck with making melodies a lot, or if you simply would like to make better melodies. And I personally guarantee that if you watch this entire video, your melodies are going to become at least 2 times better than they are right now. Now I'm going to hold you to it because I want you to practice the methods that you've applied from this video, come back to this video, and comment in the comments section that these melody tricks actually allowed you to make a better melody today. Trick number 1, use notes that you already have in the chord. So our chords, they sound like this. So watch this. If I just go up into a nice octave for a top line melody, I could simply come down to these chords and pick any of these notes and see if it sounds good. Just the notes that we already used in the chords. I'm going to take this one, which is the same note as this guy down here. And then I'm going to use this note here. I'm going to do the same note. That, and then we get our next chord here, so we can even incorporate some notes that are used in this chord. So watch this. This note, which is this note here. And I'm going to go back and use this one again because I know this note works because it sounds good. It does not sound out of key. Right there, if you watched my other melody videos, you know that once you get the first section or the first bar of a melody, the rest of the bars are essentially going to be a similar form of this melody, just with a couple differences. So we're just going to do that. And what we could do is we could take these, put them on their own sound, and then we could get something really cool. Trick number 2, use the rhythm of your chords or your drums. If you don't use the rhythm of your chords or your drums, you will risk your melody competing with your chords and your drums. And this is a very hard situation to get yourself out of, especially if you're not that comfortable with rhythm and drums yet. Our melodies have to be working with the rhythm of our chords and our drums and our bass lines to sound good and not confusing to our listeners. So what I like to do is I like to take a chord set like this. This is a very rhythmic chord set. You can't just throw any old melody on top of that. I'm going to need a note here, 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 and here, and here, and then I'm going to repeat that melody for the next 3 bars. So you can see I have a chord here and a melody note there, chord here and a melody note there, and I'm just going to keep doing this. You can see every chord now, doesn't matter which chord we go to, we have a melody note on that chord. And that's going to help our melody stay tight with the chords and not lose itself and start competing with all of the other rhythms in the song. Trick number 3, use melodic material from somewhere else. So this is a great way to get you unstuck in any melodically blocked situation, and you're guaranteed to come up with an amazing melody doing it this way. So this is what I love to do when I'm stuck. I'll go and I'll grab a vocal phrase from Splice, like this one. It sounds like this. And then I'll pitch it into key. And then I'll start chopping away to create some cool little melody. So what I basically did was I pretty much went chop crazy just like that. And then I ended up with this really cool rhythm here. Right there are 3 tricks that I guarantee will transform your melodic skill. If you guys would like to learn more about melodies and master the elements like chords, melodies, mixing, arrangement, and mastering, my EDM bootcamp is live, and you can check that out with the link at the top of the description. I can't wait to see you in the bootcamp, and I will see you guys in next video.